Cobra, very nice colour. Shelby Cobra 1967. So if this is a Shelby Cobra, this will be worth quite a bit. Next door is a Willys. Very nice colour, that one. 1941 Willys. Oh, and then of course we have Dodge Viper, $66,000 in red. Chevelle in white, very nice. El Camino. Look at this big Impala convertible with the hood coming out the back. Now this Impala in light yellow is flipping it. It's $121,000, this machine. Trans Am. $64,000. Some Porsches. Porsche Carrera Cabriolet. $64,000. XJS, Maserati. Nice little VW. So just to walk over this side, a few vehicles have caught my eye. Look at this GTO Restomod. This looks pretty. This looks a beast. Look at that in red. Oh, it's got an LS engine in it as well, by the look of it. That's going to shift, to say the least. 1960X GTO, $71,000 with an LS2 engine in it. So that's a Restomod. Great interior look. That was shift. And look at this Ford Fairline here. Look at the wings on it. Love these. I guess it's a 50s car. Again, $30,000. Not bad. Not a bad price. Next to that's a Plymouth Deluxe convertible. Big chrome bumper. Chrome's a bit seen better days on this one, as the steering wheel has as well, but how much would it be to take it home? $40,000. That's the Rolls Royce, or is it a Bentley? It's a Bentley. And that's it. All sorts, loads of Mustangs. So we'll just finish off with this lowered Mustang for those who like the odd Restomod. Not sure it does it for me really. Actually, I don't. $53,000, 1966. See what you say, guys. So what do you think? It's 1966 Restomod Mustang, is that? Sort of car you think looks good? It's obviously airbagged. Or would you stick to something a little bit more conservative? Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. There'll be some more soon. Thanks for watching. This is Gateway Classic Cars in Georgia. Talk to you soon.